We have gold rising to a record in New York as investors are looking for an alternative to paper money. Michael Pinto, who's the chief economist at Delta Global Advisors, says that this is the beginning of unraveling of fiat currencies. Let's bring in Paul Gordon for more, and some pretty tough words there, Paul.
Pretty tough words indeed, but we're not alone in hearing these kind of comments from people around the world. One of the reasons is that gold is, as you say, essentially a haven compared to paper currency. Take a look at this. At least some people see it that way. Here's gold prices over the last year or so, up to $12.35 an ounce. That was the intraday record. Take a look at these yields here. Gold, of course, yields zero. You get nothing on that. The two-year US Treasury, though, is 0.8%. A Citibank savings account gives you 0.9%. In other words, not much more, and you raise the risk there of inflation eroding the value of a currency. A 10-year Treasury gives you 3.5%. That's healthier. But again, some people may feel in 10 years' time you're not going to get all of your money back. It'll have been eroded by inflation. Also, take a look at another reason over here. This is Libor, the London interbank offered rate. 3 months. It's the amount banks charge each other to lend. And they have to have confidence in each other. They're going to get their money back. Well, there's the Euro bailout plan. Very little impact at all. So that's another reason why markets are concerned. If we can go back to that screen at one moment, I want to show you another factor. Here we go. This is the same chart, but going back over to the financial crisis when Libor was at 4.8%. Now it's 0.4. So in other words, we're still nowhere near financial crisis levels. But it has to be noted, the Euro bailout didn't have an impact on borrowing rates.
Yeah, now there's a cost to holding gold, isn't there? It's not free.
Oh, well, you have to pay for physical storage, or you buy paper gold, in which case, one way or another, someone's got to pay for physical storage, and you have to be absolutely sure that paper gold is backed by physical. So there's a cost, yes.
There is a cost. Okay, Paul, thanks for that. So record prices for gold as investors are looking for safety these days amongst the market volatility.